Sebastian was a very energetic young man who had started career as a multi-TV installer in the Volta regional capital Ho. He had high hopes of getting married and starting a family of his own. He was lively and helpful to all in his community. But one day he felt pain in his right thigh, and that is what will bring his dreams to an abrupt end. He's now bedridden and depends on the benevolence of family and friends to survive. He started seeking medical attention in 2014 when his condition started to aggravate. So far, he's visited many hospitals and even undergone 6 rounds of chemotherapy at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital to prevent the cancer from spreading to other organs of his body. That has, however, done little to bring any relief.
No complaining, be pata. Ave 2014 la, even no kojiwe de,
In 2014, he fell sick, complaining of pains in his thighs. We visited some hospitals in the area, but the doctors found nothing. We were later referred to one of the regional hospitals, but the doctors found nothing. We were then transferred to the Kolebu Teaching Hospital. After a series of tests, it was revealed that he has bone cancer.
His condition is now deteriorating very fast. His entire right leg is heavily swollen, leaving him bedridden for about a year, unable to do anything for himself. Doctors say the only thing which can help Sebastian survive is a special surgery in India. But hope is fading very fast because his family is unable to raise the $8,000 cost for the surgery.
The cost of treatment is so high. I have spent all my money taking care of his medical bills. I now need support. I want Ghanaians to come to our aid.
For now, Sebastian can only have hope of survival if he's able to raise $8,000.